Now arriving at Oakville.
Arrivé à Oakville.
Alright guys, so we are arriving at Oakville. Here we are, Oakville. Alright, this platform. Let's see this platform. Yep, looks like we're gonna go from this platform. Guys, I don't see any buses right now. Maybe they come later at night, like midnight. So it is 10:35. So we'll be in Long Branch at 11 p.m. That is crazy. I never been to Long Branch Station before at 11. Guys, if you've been to the GO train at night, let me know. Comment night on train. Comment night on train. So this is Oakville Station. Right. That's it. You can connect to the via train to Niagara Falls, Oshawa. No, Niagara, Toronto, and Windsor, and Niagara Falls. Look at the roof, guys. It's literally raining cats and dogs.
Please stand clear, your doors are now closing.
This is the, I think there's a train arriving. This is the local train. Here we go.
Our next station stop is Clarkson. Attention passengers exiting at Long Branch. Due to construction, on all doors will open at Long Branch Cove. Take a look at your coach number located at both ends of your rail car. The doors on coaches 344, 4138, 2823, 2329, 2801, 4085, and 4126 will not open at Long Branch Cove. If you are in one of these coaches and will be exiting at Long Branch, please move through the train in the same direction that we are traveling in until you find me in the accessibility coach number 2536, where you will be let out. Thank you. Once again, our next station stop is Clarkson.
Alright guys, so see you at Clarkson.